Are you looking for the best belt sanders? In this video we will look at some of the best belt sanders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bucktool Combo. When you want sharp knives, this tabletop belt sander is the perfect tool. It has a 3.5 amp, 0.3 horsepower motor that generates 3,450 RPM. The sanding belt enables the user to adopt multiple positions to cater to different types of knives. It has a cast iron belt table to enable better support when sharpening. It also has a grinder for more general purpose uses and finishing. The belt can also be set vertically and horizontally for greater flexibility. It has a belt guard, easy tension adjustment, an eye shield, and an LED light for better clarity. This Bucktool has a quick belt replacement feature as well as a 2-inch wide metal sanding belt. Number 2. Craftsman Belt Sander. This Craftsman belt sander has a 7-amp motor that generates speeds of 800 feet per minute for fast material removal. The belt has a quick release feature to make it easier to swap sanding belts. You get an onboard dust bag and a 3-position mold handle to improve comfort levels and control. It also has an angled belt design to get you closer to the edges. This model almost rivals the Metabo with a 3-year guarantee. That gives you the peace of mind you need and affirms this tool's quality, thanks to the manufacturer's confidence. It costs a fraction of the most expensive models, yet it has equal power. Why spend hundreds of dollars unnecessarily when you can save money with this tool? For comfort and grip, the 3-position handle is a real treat. It gives you increased control, and coupled with the angled belt system, you get as close to the edges as possible. Number 3. Electronix Express. With a 1/3 HP motor and 3,260 FPM power, this is an excellent light-duty sander. But it can still achieve great things. It will provide a lovely flawless finish and deliver quick results. This is a fantastic choice for a mini belt sander with a wide range of cool specs, such as rubber feet, dust collection tubes, and sturdy construction. Being small, this will already be minimal on the vibration front. But the rubber feet ensure that while you're working hard, this thing remains very sturdy. Say goodbye to excess dust. With a handy dust collection chute, this ensures your work area is as clean as can be. This comes with a removable backplate. So no matter what shape of stock you need to cut, this can do the trick. Curved, straight edges, or just wonky shapes, this has got you covered.